There goes Kaylee's wheels and tires. Time to get the new. Good morning. Out of gas like always. Is that a tunnel? Oh wow, place looks sick. Hey look, my truck. Whole bunch of old cars here. Sick.
They're talking to you.
It's in your mirrors too? I wish that was me.
They don't believe that's 9 foot. What is it? What is it?
20 feet?
No, it's not. It's 9.
No, it's 11. 9 feet.
Bullshit.
It's 11.
No, it's not.
It's 11.
How are we
Well,
fit?
What is it? That's just shy of 11.
Yep, that's what I thought.
What is it?
Damn.
115.
Dude, she's been on a diet. It's only 115.
That's what happens when you scrape a lot of curbs. You wore off it.
Oh yeah, you're right. When I did the burnout, it actually burned out the sidewall a little bit. Noodles and Company?
I'm gonna look up other places.
You're gonna look up other places?
I don't really want noodles.
Come on, we're not getting taco smell like them.
Did we even fill up for
Yes,
where?
a while ago. Full. They want to fit. 9 foot clearance, huh? Good thing we just measured, and I measured 11 feet, right?
Hi, welcome to Wendy's. How can I help you?
Oof. Make it look tiny.
Good.
Cut! You guys like my new truck? You know, ever since Brandon beat me in that tug of war, I've been really wanting this Dodge. I just think Ford just ain't it. Power strokes suck.
I think my truck would beat you though.
You think you'd beat me in a tug of war?
Yeah.
Hold on. Do you guys think Kaylee's truck can beat mine in a tug of war? She's very confident. She thinks that she can.
I'm not that confident.
She literally said last night, I would drag your truck all the way across the neighborhood.
Actually, he said that.
We're not gonna talk about it. We're not. Cut. Wait, 1 sec. Toot it up. that front end. You said 35,000 interior?
Yep.
I think my King Ranch seats are better.
Ferrari.
Ferrari seats. Yo, shut up, I'm trying to film.
Ferrari leather, order from Ferrari.
Wow. I daily it.
Custom paint.
Done by...
Fucking grind out of
I've been here for like an hour, I didn't even see this car. They're literally my dream car, just like sitting in the parking lot, cool. Oh my God. Oh, that's clean. Yeah. We should do my truck this color. What year is that? 68. I want a 69, but this one's pretty mint. The camera probably don't do it justice, but this paint is popping. Sheesh. Hey, come here, I gotta show you something. So this car has been here this whole time and we haven't noticed it. Look right there. What is that? That's pretty sick, huh? 68 Camaro.
Is the hood open?
Is the hood open?
Just like that.
Yeah, it's popped open. It's like your dream car.
Yeah.
What? Thought you'd be more excited. Woo. We should build a drag dually. Toot it up. Oh my God. Y'all gonna be dragging the frame on the ground, Jesus Christ. That's gonna be sick. That's pretty nasty. Let's set the frame on the floor in the front. That's sick. That's sick. Toot it up. The man, the myth, the legend. So did you do the burnout before or after you bought it?
The guy that owned it before me did that. I'm not too sure.
That's weird.
She lays a smoker. Want to do a trailer smoker?
You want to do a trailer smoker? So you traded your white dually for this?
Flashback.
How do you use these strap holes?
Off to Texas, baby.
End of flashback.
Straight trade?
Straight up.
Yep. That's what I figured. Hey, pretty good trade. It don't got a Cummins in it, so it probably won't break.
No, this fucker runs good. Ground truck one.
That's a bit runner, dude. I'm telling you.
Slap like a stage 5 cam in it. Hey, when we said in Indiana, you should probably get new tires, that meant you should probably get new tires.
I towed Drew's back home. Logan's girl was back home. I went, picked this up, picked another Cummins up, drove home. Then I forgot what I got yesterday. I got something yesterday with the trailer.
Jesus
I loaded
Christ.
this up and drove all the way here.
Just throw the front on the back.
At least this one still has rubber on it a little bit.
You don't want to lose this.
Clapped. So as you guys saw in the beginning of the video, Kaylee sold her wheels. Not saying on jack stands. I got a little mock-up of what it would look like with 26 by 16s and 40s and about 3-inch spacers. It would definitely be crazy wide. These are actually the tires that I used in the gold tire video where I strapped the tires to the truck before I made it a dually. We're not sure what wheel and tire setup we're gonna go with. You guys should really help us out and comment down below what wheel and tire you think Kaylee here should get on her truck. What the heck did I punch?
Candles.
Thank you guys for watching, and remember, baby pigeons do not exist.
I'm gonna miss you.